Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my worst purchases for 2021. I just got done filming my best purchases for 2021 and I feel like this is kind of like the logical next step. You know, it's just you do best and then you kind of do worse. So this was not at all planned, but I feel like I still should do this video because I was doing the best ones. And I'm gonna be a little bit disorganized, but we'll do this because I don't have that many pieces to talk about. I only have 3 pieces to talk about, which is kind of good because it's good that I don't have a lot of like bad purchases, right? So that's amazing. But if you haven't checked out the best purchases of 2021, check it out. I will leave a link to it down in the description box as well as up here in the card. So check it out and let's get into the worst purchases. So first of all, I don't want to use the word worst because there's certainly not worst purchases. They're just not as good as the other ones, if you know what I mean. All right, so the first worst purchase that I want to talk about is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Now, all you Louis Vuitton mini pochette lovers out there, please don't hate me. I do love this piece. I mean, it's just so cute, and there's a reason why I got this, right? But I feel like ever since I got it 6 months ago, and I've not used it, not even once, ever since I got it. And I don't know why, but I feel like I didn't use it as a pouch because it's white, so I feel like I don't want to get it dirty. And then I tried to use it as a mini bag, but it's just too mini. It could barely fit anything. I mean, the other day I tried to use my Damier Ebene mini pochette as a bag when I was going out for breakfast, and it fit my zippy coin purse, but that's it. I couldn't put anything else in it, and I still carried it for that day. But then I'm like, maybe I need to like revamp my I need to put like a card case or something instead of the wallet. But yeah, like I love this piece. I mean, this is the only Damier Ebene piece I have. It's very special, and I got it because I like it. I mean, also another reason why I got it is because this has been discontinued now. And when I saw it at the store 6 months ago, I was like, oh my God, this has been discontinued, or it's going to be discontinued. I must get it now. You know, it's like now or never kind of thing. So it was more of a collector's piece for me. So I got it, and then I guess I haven't used it. I may sell it later on. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But for now, I feel like I just need to put more effort into using this, or I just need to find more ways to use this. But otherwise, I like it, yet it's kind of in my worst purchase list. Okay, I thought I had 3 things to talk about, but I actually have 4 things to talk about. So the next one on the list is my Speedy B25. Now, if you watched my best purchases of 2021, you guys know that this bag was in that list. So you might be wondering, like, why is it in this list too? But it's not the bag that's in this list. It's actually the lock that comes with this bag. So I don't know if you guys have seen the video where I talked about like how the issues I was having with Speedy B25 lock, that is this one right over here. This is basically the 3rd lock that I got with this bag. So the original lock got tarnished, was really bad. I got another one, that one tarnished too, then I got another one. So this is the 3rd one, and it's still tarnished. Like, it's just, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's certainly not that bright, shiny gold. It's like, look at the side. I don't know if you guys can see, but like if you see the side, it's just so bad. So anyways, that's the reason why I don't have it on the bag, is because I just don't want it to tarnish more. And I don't know, I don't think like a tarnished lock looks good on the bag, honestly. So I put it back in the box that it came in, and then I just tucked it away, which kind of sucks because I do want to use this lock. But this is kind of the worst purchases of 2021. Now, moving on, my 3rd item is also a Louis Vuitton piece, and I don't have it with me is because I ended up returning it. And this is the Pochette Felicie in the monogram canvas. So I did unboxing of that bag where I talked about, it was like one of the worst unboxings. The bag was really damaged. I'll leave a link to it down in the description box, and I'll see if I can link it up here too. If you want to check it out. But basically that one was in a really bad condition. The flap was curled up. I'll see if I can pull up some pictures and insert it on here. But basically, like, I was searching for that bag for a really long time. I wanted something like a little bit fancy to take with me to parties or weddings and stuff like that. So that's why I got the bag. And I don't really have any wallet on chain, so I thought this is probably a good idea to add one into my collection, and that's why I got it. But it was really bad. Like, the flap was dainty. Even my husband noticed this. He's like, ew, like that bag is just not good. Anyways, it was just not in a good condition. The flaps were curled up and I just didn't like it. I ended up returning it, and I'm so glad, because I don't know. I don't want to have a bad piece or like a not good condition piece into my collection. And I feel like after I returned it, I didn't even bother getting it. I didn't even bother getting another one. It's because I just got so turned off. I saw so many other videos where people talked about getting damaged or like curled up flaps. And I just didn't want to go through another one of those times when I put so much effort into getting a bag and then it just doesn't work out, and then I end up returning it. So anyways, I didn't bother getting it again. But if you are looking to add that to your collection, just make sure that, I mean, I hope you find the perfect one. I hope you don't find the one where the flaps are curled outwards and yeah. So those were my Louis Vuitton pieces, and now on to the very last bag. So I want to talk about this Michael Kors tote. So I got this one also recently, well, not recently, but like, I guess like a couple of months ago, and I have not really used it ever since I got it, and I really don't know why. But maybe I do. I don't know. Like, this bag is good. It's very roomy. It fits a laptop. It's just really nice. It's pretty to look at. It's feminine. It's pink. But I guess the main reason why I haven't used it is because the strap drop is not as generous as I would like it to be for a tote, especially because the corners of this bag are really stiff. Like, it's square, rectangular, and like the fact that this is really stiff, it's just a little bit difficult to swing the back, like the bag backwards when I have it on the shoulder. Maybe that's why I haven't used it. Also because I'm working from home, so I don't really get that many opportunities to use a tote, and I'm like more of a small bag kind of person, so I guess need to put an effort into just using this bag. But it does look really cute on my shelf. Like, I always look at it and I'm like, I need to use that bag. Like, I haven't used it, and then I put it right back. But yeah, that's pretty much all of my worst purchases for 2021, which I know was not a whole lot, but that's always good, right? And on that same note, I hope you guys had a chance to check out my best purchases of 2021. If you haven't seen it, check the description box down below. I will leave a link to it, as well as I'll leave it up here in the cards too, so you can click on that and watch that video. But otherwise, it really does it for today's video. Check out my Instagram if you're looking for some more handbag pictures or like the mod shots or any of the bags that I talked about today. I have everything on there. I'm quite active on there too. But otherwise, it really does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys now in my next video very, very, very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.